Hello, everyone, again. A very warm welcome to each and every one of you. I'm absolutely thrilled to see more than 150, 180 people have joined, and I can see more than 300 to 400 people were interested. S- So let's dive into it. Sachin, next slide, please. Thank you for all joining, all the bright minds, fantastic mix of enthusiastic students and the work professionals. And and joining today. Okay, before we dive into the technicalities, let's take a quick moment to acknowledge why we are here. And I want to give a massive, heartfelt congratulations to every single person in this virtual room. You have been officially shortlisted for the Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator Program 2026. Getting selected is not a small feat, actually. You were chosen because we see your potential to lead, learn, and make a real impact in this one. Okay, slide three. Next slide. You're now officially part of an elite cohort of facilitators. Before we move ahead, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Vikas AL, and I'm a Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator for 2026. And I'm an AI engineering working at Alstom Private Limited. And joining me is my co-facilitator, Sachin Uparna, who is also a 2026 Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator and as a Google Developer Groups on Campus organizer. Together, we are going to guide you through this entire journey. This is a no-cost cloud learning campaign. It won't cost you a single dime to join or complete, but the value you will extract over the next few weeks is immense. You are now going to build hands-on practical skills in absolute frontier of modern technologies like AI agents, application development, big data, and machine learning. We believe in your potential, and we incredibly excited to get started. You guys feel free to take a screenshot and post it in your LinkedIn, social medias, and appreciate yourself being a part of this uh, Google Arcade Cloud Facilitator 2026. So, what exactly lies ahead? Let's look at the roadmap today. We are going to break down what the Google Cloud Arcade actually is, explain exactly how the facilitator track works, look at the skills boost platform, and dissect the points and milestone systems. And we will also cover the exciting rewards, the new bonus milestone for 2026, and finish with the community rules and a live Q&A session. Next slide. Let's start with a big picture. What is Google Cloud Arcade? Everybody interested to know what it is. I think few people already might have worked with a few of the programs from the Google. If you have not, no worries. We'll explain everything and we'll guide you through entire uh, 2 months of this program. So uh, we are going to break down what Google Cloud Arcade actually is, explain exactly how the facilitator track works, look at the skills boost platform, and dissect the points and milestone system. We will also cover the exciting rewards, the new bonus milestones for 2026, and finish with the community rules and live Q&A sessions. At its core, Google Cloud Arcade, at its core, it is completely free gamified learning program hosted on a Google Cloud Skills Boost platform. The facilitator program is a special guided track within it. Whether you are a complete beginner who has never touched a cloud console or an experienced professional looking to, sharpen your edge, this program is actually designed to help you master cloud capabilities and earn industry recognized credentials along the way. You will learn through hands-on labs using real Google Cloud products, earning digital badges and points, and grow alongside with a massive community of Google practitioners. Next slide. Okay, now please take out your phones or open your calendars because these dates are incredibly strict. Okay, registrations opens July 13th, which is basically today, and it's already opened at 5 p.m. Okay, I cannot stress this enough. Seats are strictly limited in this edition. These cohorts have filled up in a matter of minutes, so you have to be very quick. You have to rush in and you have to book your seats in this. And the program window, the program officially runs from July 13 to September 14, 2026. This gives you a solid 2 months window to complete your games and earn your badges. And so the final deadline, the curtains drops on the September 14, 2026. That is exactly at 11:59 p.m. There are no extensions, no pacing yourself will be, no. So you have to pace yourself uh, to give a best strategy out of it. And yeah, the point systems and the badges, how to get the points and how the badges will be earned. So let's talk about the engine that drives this entire program. The point system, everything you do on the platform translates into arcade points. Okay, make sure to keep these fancy words or the keywords like arcade points. Okay, and there are two distinct ways to earn them. Okay, let's talk about the how you can earn the points. One is path one. If you go to the next slide, yeah, the badges you are actually earning. Go back to the slide. Yeah, one is arcade game badges and the skill badges and the trivia badges. Okay, so arcade game badges monthly there will be some games given by the released, and you have to complete those games to earn these arcade game badges. And the skill badges where you will get some labs, activities, hands-on. On that you will get skill badges, and the trivia badges which are periodically, you know, through challenges you will get the badges. So the arcade games, every single month, Google releases like 6 new games on the platform. Okay. Each game you successfully complete awards you one arcade point. So every game you successfully complete, you will get one arcade points. Over the course of the program, you can complete up to 18 games, 18 game badges in total. So 18 game badges, you can get it in a month over the course of the program. Okay. Not in a month. However, you have to please note a crucial role where only maximum of 12 game completion will count towards the ultimate milestone tier. Okay, so these games have limited capacity. So the moment the new game drops, enroll immediately and finish it as fast as you can. And the skill badges, as I mentioned, it's there are like these are earned by diving into the diving into the deeper Google Cloud skills boost catalogs and completing a structured series of hands-on labs. In the assessment challenge lab to test your knowledge, because these are more comprehensive. The points conversion is different here compared to what you have seen in the arcade games. Okay, here for every 2 skill badges, which is equal to 1 arcade point. So every 2 skill badges, what you achieve here or earn here, that will be equal to 1 arcade points. So you have total flexibility here. You can mix and match. You can lean heavily into the games for fast-paced points, or you can consistently stack up skill badges for a deeper skill first approach. Every badge you earn, whether it's an arcade game badge or a skill badge or the periodic trivia challenge badge, the 3 badges which were shown in the previous slide, proudly displays on your public skills boost profile for employers to see. So let's talk about the program milestone, which will be taken from Sachin. I'll hand over the platform to Sachin, and he'll continue on that.
Hello everyone. Is my voice audible? Is my voice audible, guys? Please give me a yes or no in the chat. Mm, okay. First of all, thank you, Mr. Vikas, for giving a great introduction about the Google Cloud Arcade program. So from now on, I'll be taking over for how the program milestone actually works, and I'll walk you through about how to actually enroll into this arcade program and what are the things, important information you'll be getting into the going into the arcade. So yeah, so as he already said about the badges and also the skill arcade games and the skill badges. So this is how the program milestone structure is. So there will be 4 different milestone. So one is milestone 1, and they give a simple name like milestone 1, milestone 2, milestone 3, and the ultimate milestone. So these 4 are the main 4 milestones where you can reach. So in the first milestone, you have to complete 6 games with 18 skill badges. I'll let you know how the points conversion is. So you can reach 30 points, which will be you'll be reaching for milestone 1. So and also milestone 2 is about 50 points, and you can see everything. So I'll go like deeper into this in the later stage, where I'll walk you through the website. Okay. So the main part about this cohort is about Gemini Enterprise Agent Ready. So agents. So everyone is ready about talking about like Google agents, or you can talk about AI agents, how it is, how to work on. So if you are like planning to learn on a solo trip, it will be a very much cost effective. So like sorry, it will be very much costly. So it'll be like you may think like how to invest into LLMs, or how can I deploy it. So this time the Google is giving you an opportunity to learn AI agents, which will be ready for like an enterprise level, not just for a student or not just for like a personal project. This time it will be for an enterprise level, so where you can learn about like proper agents. So let's look into the agent, like look into the learning paths. So these are the 4 learning paths which will be covered in the Google Cloud Arcade program 2026. So first you will be going into like introduction to agents and Google agent ecosystem, where you'll be given some of the courses where you can see in the screen. And also you'll be going to develop agents with agent development kit. So ADK, Google ADK is one of the origins of agent orchestration, and also all the agent development kit. So Google was the origin. So you can try it out, you can learn. There are a lot of labs, there's a lot of skill badges you can get from it. So skill badges is not like nothing less than like a certificate. So you'll be getting a certificate too. And also you can deploy production ready agents. You can get the deploy like production ready agents there, and also scale agents across enterprises. So you can yeah, as I said, you can make a big agent. You can learn like a multi-agent workflow with Gemini Enterprise. You can do like an orchestrator, and you can connect multiple agents and work on it. So this is one of the greater things where you can learn in this learning path. So yeah, we can you can get to know about it later too. So this is the one of the greatest thing. And again, coming to the bonus milestone, this is the main part where you have to complete and you'll be getting the bonus points. So no other like a before cohort had like a bonus milestone where you could get extra points or extra learning. So this is one of the latest feature or the latest thing they have added to this cohort. So yeah, as I talking about the bonus milestone, this is the bonus milestone. So as of the before, you could have only get like till 80 points has the ultimate milestone, but this time you will be getting like 90 points. From the 90 points, you have already like been enrolled to the facilitator program. You will be enrolling now. You already have a gear badge. So yeah, you have to come. I'll go to this later. So you need to complete these 4 courses, and after that you can see you can build your AI agent on Vertex AI. Then there will be some process, and you'll get that 10 points easily. So if you are working actually really good, you can complete this bonus milestone in just 1 day. Okay, so you can just complete that in 1 day. Okay, I'll go through the overview. I don't take much time on this because we need to cover on how the website is and how you can enroll on. So yeah, the program will be like today is the registration day. You will be registering today. Then you have already joined the community. If you haven't joined the community, WhatsApp community, you can. Most of the people have already joined. So if you are already joined, yes. If not, go to my LinkedIn page. You have the registration link. You just register and you will be added to the WhatsApp group. And this is from where you will have to start, play and learn, and you have to reach the milestones and redeem your rewards. So redeeming the rewards will be done at the end of the program, where you can redeem and get a lot of gifts in there. Really good gifts you can redeem and get the Google goodies from there. I hope everything was clear so far. We'll keep the Q&A at the end. If we can go next. Shall we move on? I think we can move on. Yeah. So yeah, coming to the rewards and goodies. So these are some of the images which is from the which will be there at the end of the cohort. Some of the bag caps, lamps. Some there are different tires. So maximum from these just 2.5 months, like you can say 3 months from July to September. You'll be getting like 90 max of 90 arcade points. So you can get this by completing all the games and doing it in a very your own pace, not like in a very rushed way. You can complete it in your own, but just that there are limited seats in the arcade games, and you need to be very quick to register over there. So these are some of the goodies. So this is just the images. There are a lot of more goodies which you will get to know as soon as you start with the games and everything. You'll get to know information over there. So yeah, these are some of the points you can get, as I said, from the milestone. I'll let you know how the milestone actually works. Okay, yeah. So some of the program rules and guidance. So you need to complete I'll go with the do's. So coming to the do's, you need to complete all the labs and games with your own account. So you can't like do it register from one account and complete the games in different account. So you have to do it in your own account. If you do it in that way, you will be not considered for this cohort. You have to do it in the same account where you have done the skill boost and where you will do the enrollment. Okay, and also keeping your skill boost public profile up to date. You need to be like your skill boost account, if you have already created, which I sent uh, in the group, how to create a public profile of the skill boost. So you need to keep it public till the end of the cohort. If you put it into private, your updates will be lost and it might be removed from the cohort too. Yes, and also ask for help in the communities. The community is free. We have done a community in the WhatsApp where you can have a discussion or doubts and help. You can ask over there, and feel free to ask any doubts over there in the which is like linked to the Google Arcade, and you can get the help out of them. So we are like there are 400 people nearly in the group. So we are learning together, growing together, and building together. So let's help each other and let's grow together. Okay, so again, you can track your own progress again each milestone. So you can in the Google Cloud milestone, you can see how the progress is going on, how many skill badges or the arcade games you have completed. So you can track your own progress and you can check how many milestone have you reached, and you will also get like a mails on how much milestone did you complete or how it's going, everything. Again, no need to share your WhatsApp, like no need to share the WhatsApp group like publicly. We don't need people who is not there in the cohort to be just ruining our group and spamming in the group. So don't try to spam the thing. And also don't share the badges or lab answers. Don't like we don't appreciate sharing the like answers to others. Let them try to work on themselves, because we are learning each and everything on ourselves. So we need to learn. If and only if you are stuck, try to get the answer. Otherwise, we encourage to learn on your own thing, because learning is very good and you can try again. Swag eligibility is not from the milestone alone. There are some other criterias which you will get to know as soon as you start with the games. You'll get the mails. So just reaching the milestone will not get you any rewards, because you have to do the redeem things, which will be open at the end of the year. So that is the thing. And also, don't wait till until the last week to start, because in the arcade games there is only limited seats. Maybe for this month there is only like 2,000 seats left, and there are over like in all over the world people are trying to complete those games. So there are only 2,000 seats left, so you need to be very quick and you need to start registering and complete those games. And again, no need to worry, in this cohort you will be having like for give me a minute. So you'll be guys in the chat, please don't spam something, please be respectful, so there are a lot of people there. Okay, so again, yeah, again coming to the things, there are 18 arcade badge games you can complete. But for the ultimate milestone, you just need to complete any 12 games in that, not compulsory you need to complete 18. It's not that you cannot you don't need to complete you need to complete all the 18 games. You just need to complete 12 games. You can also complete 18 games if you are if you are willing to do that. Okay. So yeah, community support, we have officially WhatsApp group. We will be announcing any information or important information there. You can also have a discussion over there. And also there is a Google Cloud official like forums where you can have a chat with actual other people who is not from our community. You can talk to them. I also have skills boost where you can we can see your labs, how many skill badges you have completed, each and everything you can see over there. And for the tips of the success, right now, right after the session, try to register. Registration is open. I'll let you know how to register exactly. And you need to pace yourself weekly. So don't try to keep it at the end. Try to divide it every day and complete the labs and balance. Don't just go for the badges or don't just complete the games. Keep it balanced. Try to complete both, because for each milestone there is a like criteria to complete the skill badges and also the game. So try to go it in that way. And also start with the if you have completed one milestone, and complete the bonus milestone at the start. So because you will be confirmed with the 10 points you will be getting, and you can reach over there. And also stay active in the community. Be in the community. There's a WhatsApp community. Ask if you have any questions, ask it up, or if you are stuck anywhere you can ask there and you can then move forward. Yeah. And also you can track your points. You can, yeah, again I said you have all the Google Cloud a skill boost account where you can see progress and over there. I'll keep the Q&A at the end, so please retain your questions for now. We have a lengthy Q&A at the end, so that there are a lot of people who have like a limited time. So I'll just share the information, important information, and we can keep the Q&A at the end. So yeah, the main part now, we need to show you the website, how exactly the website works. So I hope this website is visible. So this is the website where you need to enroll. If possible, I'll copy this link and paste it in the WhatsApp group later. So yeah, the registrations will be closing on July 20th, or once all the seats are full. So you need to remember that, so that you need to register as soon as possible. Just after the session, you can go through it. So this is how you need to, this is where you have to enroll yourself. So these are some of the information. For the enrollment, as I already said, before you are enrolling, you need to add this Gmail ID, because it will not go into spam. If you don't add, sometimes your email might go into spam, junk, or promotions. So you might not find the information. So yeah, you have already entered into a facilitator team. So you have, I will give you the facilitator code where you need to enter. So if you don't add the facilitator code, what will happen? You can do not add the facilitator team, but they will assign you to some other team. But if the other team is already full, you will not be added to any of the cohort, and you will miss the chance to able to join. So we have got some around like 500 seats, and our communities are only around like there are only 400 people. So you have confirmed seat with our referral code. So with our referral code, you have a confirmed seat. So we are telling you to add that referral code and join the same cohort of us, as we are in. So that is the thing. and make sure you are signed in. I guess you have already done the skill boost public profile URL. I already said to that. And also coming to the developer public profile, I already sent how to do that in the group, WhatsApp group, and also to your emails. So we need to do that. And yeah, this is again, arcade games are not like it has unlimited seats, it has limited seats. Maybe let's just like for just like 5,000 seats per games maybe, and like something like that. And this month's game there is only like 2,000 seats, so you need to be very fast and you need to redeem that game. So make sure always you need to laptop and PC while enrolling, because it like in the phones it will be very difficult to enroll. And yeah, so the enrollment will be closed by 20th July. Like this enrollment will be closed on 20th July, or once the seats are very full, so you won't get. And once you fill up the form, I'll let you know how to fill up the form, where to fill up the form, and everything is there. I'll have it, keep it ready, so I'll show you later. So after enrolling in the form, you will be getting the 750 cloud credits for free within 24 to 48 hours. So after registering, you will get it out, and you will get it you will get the cloud credits for 750 credits in your account, and you will get an email with the video link how to redeem it. Okay, you will get to redeem it. Again, coming to the point system, this is how exactly the point system is done. Whenever you complete an arcade game, you'll get 1 point, and whenever you complete 2 skill badges, you'll get 1 point. So one game is equal to 1 point, 2 badges is equal to 1 point, and milestone has different points. So that is, we need to keep on thinking. Again, you can go through this website, you can read it on your own. I won't take much of your time just reading the things which are there in the website. Okay, so in the milestone 1, you need to complete 6 games. You'll get again, completing 6 games, you'll get 6 points, and 18 badges will get you 9 points. And for the first milestone, you'll get 5 points. So 15 points plus 5 points, you'll be having 20 points. Now, how you think about getting 30 points? So that is where bonus milestone comes. So after completing till the 20 points, you need to complete that extra 10 points by completing the bonus milestone. Okay, bonus milestone is about that agent. Okay, so and also a basic FAQ is there here. How can you see? How can you can check it out there? And coming to the bonus milestone, so as I already said, how the bonus milestone is actually is, you can check it out here. Eligibility criteria, you need to complete, you need to be enrolled first in a facilitator program, which is using our referral code. Next, you need to be signed up for gear program. I guess you have already done if you have followed my video. And you need to have that gear badge already. And if you have already done so, then you can go to the following link, and there are some of the badges you need to complete. And main thing, you have to earn at least 1 milestone. So here there is at least, this is a 1 milestone, right? You have to get at least any of this 1 milestone to be access to the bonus milestone, or else you won't get that extra 10 points. If you have done it the first, you won't get that extra milestone. So how to answer the bonus milestone? You can just complete the sum of the steps. See, these are some of the steps. You need to complete these 4 skill badges. Then there are some of the information where you can take your time and read these steps. Again, we can do this session. We can do a session on explaining these things maybe after some days, because this will start only after July 20. Just after the registration close, after July 20 only this will open. It is not, submissions are not open right now. Okay, so coming to the main syllabus, what should I complete? So again, if I go to this website, this is the main website where you will be seeing all the games. So there are 6 games for this month. You can just start, and if any player, if it asks for the access code, you have the access code over here. Again, you can start. So these are the some of the different arcade like tests you can reach. So arcade legend is the greatest point. So for that, you need to reach 120 points, and just by doing it in 3 months, you'll get in 2 months, you'll get 90 points. Imagine reaching 120 points, and for reaching 120 points, you'll get 90 points in just 2 months. Okay, that is how actually works. Okay, and this is what it is. You can just check it out, and basic FAQ questions are there here too. Okay, and coming to the yeah, this is the 6 games. So new 6 games will be coming from August and also for September. Remember, we have just 18 days left in this month, so you need to complete this 6 games in this month. And for the August, we have proper all days, and also for September, we just have 13 days in that month too. So try to complete the games as soon as possible, and try to just reach the ultimate milestone, then you can relax at the end. So yeah, skill badges. For the skill badges, you need to complete 66 skill badges to reach that ultimate milestone. But if you are going for a learning path, there are learning path for the beginner. What are the games like you are need to complete skill badges for the intermediate and also for the advanced. So for this you will for completing this you will be going for only just 51 skill badges, and you can you need to find 15 more skill badges from their catalog. So there are around like 100 plus skill badges in their catalog. Have completed somewhere around like 22 skill badges. So it's just showing 93 more left. So there are a lot of skill badges here. You can go through and then complete the skill badges on your own pace. Yeah. So this is the syllabus, and if you go and ask any kind of a frequent question, you can ask. Okay. Now coming to the main part, enrollment process. So just for the enrollment process you need to use this link, enroll in the program. Here you need to press that. And if you are facing some of the recapture, listen to me very carefully, this is very important. When you press this and you are facing some recapture issue, like are you a human prompt, and if you are stuck over there, just copy the link of the form and paste it in an incognito mode. Okay. Remember, paste it in an incognito mode, then you need to sign in, and then you can because I also face the recapture issue. So just copy that link and paste it in an incognito mode. Just pressing Control Shift and you'll be going to incognito mode, and there you can paste the form link, and this is how the form will look like. So and again, listen to me very carefully. This is very this is very, you need to be very careful while enrolling here. So because if you give any wrong information here, you won't be getting any credits from that for that same account, and you might not get the credits of 750, and you won't be able to complete the cohort. Okay. Some of the rewards they have shared the same images. You just need to press your email ID. I'll be walking through. Okay, I'm getting that I'm not a robot again here. Okay, so we are in. So in the incognito mode, you will not get that recapture issue. So you need to read the terms and condition. You need to be very careful and read it very thoroughly. And yeah, you have to read the accept the terms. I won't be reading it because it will be time consuming. And okay, see, these are some of the issue we'll get because the server is very busy. And yeah. Okay, you need to give your full name, ID, what are you doing right now, what is your real and coming to the main part, you have a referral code for your team. Yes, give it yes. And okay, see, this is some of the issue you will get because the server is already very busy. A lot of people are trying to register. And okay, see, this is what you need to do. Okay, yeah. So we are in, and here you need to add the referral code. This is the referral code. You can take a photo, or I can just send it in the WhatsApp just right after the session. Because we'll send you the referral code and also the link on where you can register. And yeah, you need to give this. And do you have an account on Google Skills? Yeah, if you have already created, you have to create it before doing it. So just give yes. I already account with no or few badges. I have a few badges. I have given, if you have completed a lot of badges, you can just give yes, I already have an account with a lot of badges. No, I want to create one. They'll give a step on how to create. So if you have not created, you can give and not create. But I recommend you to do the skill badges account on your own and just give yes here. Okay, so after giving yes, it will ask to do your public profile, like doing a public profile. Just go to the public, and I have already shared the YouTube link. Again, you have a YouTube link here. You have to copy that, make the like profile public, and you need to paste the link. So this is the link. You need not to copy this. You need to copy your profile link from there, and then you need to copy it here. Okay. After copying, you need to give your Gmail ID, which is connected to that skill boost. And you need to create your Google developer profile. So again, I have to create a Google developer profile. Let me go and let me show you the Google developer profile. Okay, the live demos always fails. Okay. Okay, so yeah, we are in. So here you just need to wait for this loading screen. You'll be getting some 3 dots here, and you need to go to your profile. and make sure you have that Gemini Enterprise Ready badge here, Gemini Enterprise Agent Ready badge. You might have few badges or more badges than me, so you can just go through here, and here you need to make go to your settings. Here you need to make your public profile, and you'll be giving like give your name. Here you need to give your name, and after doing that, give a save, and you can see your public profile is created. Then you need to copy this, and you need to press verify have enrolled to the program and receive the gear badges, and then just you need to paste it here. You can go through the information here, how to get the profile. Each and every instruction is already given there, so just give your profile there and then press next. And yeah, this is some of the information that you have declared. Yeah. And the main thing, after submitting this, you have to be patient for 24 to 48 hours and restrain from asking us or the Google about the credits. So you'll be getting the credits from their side. You'll be getting from Google Cloud like 750 free credits, and how to claim it, each and everything will be there, given in the email, and also there is a video how to claim it. So yeah, also if you don't get the email, you just need to look under spam, junk, or promotions from there. And if you given a wrong profile, then you won't receive any kind of email, or invalid Google developer like developer program profile, or the skill boost ID you have given the wrong, then you won't get any kind of email. So cross check multiple times, and then give the submit button. Okay, and this is how I will press the submit button. And yeah, I have enrolled into the facilitator program, and you will be needed to wait for 24 to 48 hours, and you will get the exact you will get the code where you need to do like you can start with the games. Okay, so this is the referral code. You can take a screenshot because we'll be sending the referral code and also the email in the WhatsApp group. You can go through there too. uh no, referral code are not no, you just saw me submitting my referral code, so referral code seats are not full. You can just check it out. You can just take a screenshot about this yeah, your referral code. You can take a screenshot, and also you can because we'll be sending you the thing in the WhatsApp group too. I hope everyone has taken the screenshot of the referral code. Okay, so let's go for the Q&A. So anyone having any kind of Q&As, please drop it in the chat. I'll be happily assisting you about the Q&A. So if you have any Q&A, please do ask in the chat. Yes, please feel free to ask any kind of any questions you have. Please drop it in the chat. We'll guide you through.
Yeah, I know it is a bit overwhelming for the people who are, very new to this Google program. But don't worry, take a deep breath. It will be easy. Just the initial process of the enrollment, what Sachin has shown, will be a bit seems like a difficulty, but yeah, quickly enroll yourself into that and use the referral code. I have pasted in the chat as well as in the our WhatsApp community group. Please refer it from there. And as the arcade games programs, when you start doing it, and you will get a confident when you get a first batch for yourself. So it will be easy only. It may look like a bit difficult, but yeah, it will be easy, don't worry about it. Keep referral code on screen. Yeah, we are displaying. Thank you for that.
Okay, so we have the first question. What is the use of this course for beginners like BCA? Okay, so you are doing a BCA in the first year. So I have done BCA too. So in the first year, I had no idea about how to do or how to learn things. So I have been a part of Google Cloud Arcade in the last year, and from that I have learned a lot of things, like how to actually create a bucket in the cloud, or create how to use an vertex, or how to actually use Google Cloud, or how to create an agent. So those are the things which I actually learned from Google Skill Boost. Initially it was called as Google Skill Boost account. Now it is called Google Skills. So that is what I learned from Google Skills. Again, to get a credits from there, it is very expensive. It is like one USD for one credit. Now you are getting 750 free credits, and 750 free credits for free. So you can use that credit and start learning. So it is never early to start being prepared for this competitive world. So you can learn. Again, main thing it is you can learn about the Google Gemini enterprise agent thing. So you can learn that and be ready for the competitive world. And also I've given the link in the chat where you can go for the uh, you can go through there. I have already shared the web link in the WhatsApp. You can go through there, and also there is a web link in the chat. I hope I answered your question for what is the use of this course. Yeah. Yes, Ajay. Yeah, I'll keep the slides open, and we'll have that 20 more minutes for the Q&A. The people who are registering, you can start registering, and if you have any questions, we'll be here. We'll be here. We'll be guiding you how to register exactly. Okay. Yeah. Don't worry much, it's very simple. Just need to do some things. And as I already said, if you have already created this Cloud Skill Boost ID and also the Google Developer Program thing, you can do as quick as I done. You can just register that fast. And if you have any questions regarding the courses or anything, you can just simply ask. Okay. And also we'll be planning for doing a weekly like a weekly Q&A thing, where we will ask, you can ask any questions, or we can guide you through things. And we are coming up with a lot of things. So we'll be set in the soon. Okay. Form says wait for 48 to 20 days. Should we want to wait? Okay, for the enrollment, you can start enrollment. For the credits to for the credits, you need to wait for 24 to 48 hours. So you need to enroll now in order to get your credits. In order to get the credits in 24 to 48 hours. That is the thing. So you need to enroll right now because seats are already filling. So we need to do that. Again, carefully add the referral code. Don't mistake the referral code. Because the referral code is should be added correctly, or else you will not be added to any of the cohort. I hope I answered your question, Satvik. There are around 160 people in the chat. I can start with the enrolling to the uh, enrolling to the Google Cloud Arcade. Yeah. And if anyone faces any question, please do ask. Okay, good to know some of you have already submitted. Okay, how many hours we need to give every single week to complete the games? Okay, there is no like specific set of hours. So each and every person will have different time of learning. Some will able to learn in 1 hour. Some will take 3 hours to learn. So it totally depends. Again, we'll recommend you to take at least 3 to 4 hours or maybe more. Like at least an hour for a day will be very much helpful. And if you can give an hour for a day, it will be very helpful on completing, because if you keep at the end, then the seats are full and you will not be able to get into that. So we'll recommend giving like an hour for a day, which will take 7 hours for a week. That will be very much helpful for you to complete the thing. if you can give much more hour in that week, which is very much appreciated. And yeah, but bro, I give selected no referral code and I submitted the form. After registration, a referral will be added. Like that was okay. So Sindhu, you have said you have given no for a referral code. As I already mentioned, if you are not, if are not adding to a referral code, you might be ended up not getting any of their like facilitators. You will be going into some different cohort, not from ours. And if the seats are already full on the different cohort, you might not even get a seat. So that's why we set to give a referral code. If possible, try to create another account, and there you can give the referral code so that you will have that confirmed seat. Okay, so you can try with that. If we start today, can we reach arcade legend tier? Yeah, you can actually. Google skill boost gives you 35 credits. So but you just need to wait till 24 hours until you get that 750 credits, because they will be adding you for that what for you will be adding it for the exact thing where the entire count will be added. So you will be for the official thing of the cohort, they'll be adding you to that after you submit the form. So it's better to wait, but you can do the labs but not get that skill badges. Complete the entire thing. You can just start with doing some of the basic things. You can do that. For student, what is the year of the graduation? uh like which year are you graduating in? Like if I have graduated in 2026, so I have given 2026. So if you are graduating in the next year, you can give 2026. Or if you have before like 2026, you can give before 2026. You can anything on that. I think I hope your answer, Dishant and also Nishant.
There is one interesting question: how to become a engineering? So, I mean, yeah, this is the first step where you will get to know more about, agentics, AI, you will basically dive into the field of AI. So start with it, start from here. Eventually, you will find a way where the current trending AI agents or the, MCP topics, all of them, you will get into it, and it will be easy for you to get into the industry as well.
Okay, feel free to ask any more questions, guys. Even if it feels very silly, please feel free to ask, because even when I was starting in the last year, I had hundreds of questions and I used to ask hundreds of questions. So feel free to ask any kind of questions, no matter what.
Questions are not limited only in this YouTube live stream. We already have a community. Feel free and go over there and ask all the questions. Even it is a silly doubt or small doubt, whatever you have, you can ask there. Those who are registering, I hope if you are facing any issues, please let us know here. Invalid referral code, it is showing. I hope you have copied correctly. Please make sure, do not confuse with the 7R5. It is not S. Please do not use it as a S. It's 7R5. If somebody is facing issue in that, please make sure that you are using the correct referral code. Or you can copy from the WhatsApp chat, or you can copy from the YouTube chat.
Okay. Okay. Invalid referral code. It's saying. Can you can send me a screenshot of what is actually happening? So okay. Next one. I am stuck at Google Skills public account. Can you generally say after that? Okay. So if you want to show, I'll can go through there. Uh, okay. In this, who is that? Kritika. So you can ask. You can just go to this website, which is skills.google, You can press on your account. You can go to settings. You can go to settings, and down you'll have make your profile public, and just need to put update settings. And after some while, you'll get that public visibility, and you'll get that ID. You'll get the public visibility ID, and then you can copy and paste it over there. That is the thing you need to do. Okay. Yeah. I hope it is helpful. Bro, I'm trying to give my public skill boost URL. I'm not able to do that. I think you just saw me doing that. You can try that. Bachelor or post graduation? What exactly is your question? What are you doing? Are you doing a BCA or are you doing a BE? What are you exactly doing? Aksh, Kotian. Okay. I have posted questions in doubts and help section in WhatsApp community about the problem. Okay, I'll check into that. Um, Kritika, please don't spam. I have shown you the issue. I can show you the solution. If you want to see it again, can you please tell me what exactly you are stuck at? Still not able to do that. Okay, can you tell me what exactly are you facing in? What can you share me the screenshot of what the issue is? Okay, Satvik, can you try to refresh with the forms and do it again? So yeah, you can try with that with the referral code. Can you tell me, or can you scan the screenshot of what the information is? Yeah, yeah, you can drop if your registration is done. Uh, yeah, we just have a Q&A and we'll also close the stream. Thank you for joining, Jason, and have a great learning ahead. We'll keep in touch. Yeah, yeah, please to contact me through WhatsApp. I'll look into it. Okay, Kritika. So go to that form. There is already an information on how to get that. You have already created a public account in Google Skills. Then you can just copy the link and just paste it. And I'm confused where to place as well as I'm not getting you. Sorry. Okay, expert. Yeah, and you are doing MCA, so you can just give a post graduation PG bachelor. So there is no option about that. Or I didn't get you. What's the exact question, Akshkujan? Please, can you repeat it? How do I know that I have enrolled successfully? If you have submitted that form, you have already enrolled. You might have received an email about thanks for filling out this form. So that is the thing which is like a confirmation that you have filled the form correctly. Not correctly, but you have filled the form. Name of your community employer. You can just give your school name. Name of your, any of your. You can give you can give your college or school name. Yeah, yeah. In the gear, you can just give your if you are in any community, you can give, or else I can just give your college name. Again, be quickly. There's only a limited seats, and we encourage everyone to enroll very fast. So if you are too late, you might not get that seat. Okay. Currently imposing MCA, you can okay, if you are pursuing MCA, you can be a part of this too. No worries on that. Is that the question? Kishan, you just wait for 24 hours. Wait till you get that 750 credits, then you can start playing the games. We won't recommend to start right away because we want you to be a confirmed cohort member. Then you can start with that. Hello, Shockwave. Yeah. I am enrolled for MC and currently started in startup. So yeah, anyone can join. So there is no constraint for this. So anyone can join. So yeah, or just you can join and you can start with learning. Can any explain what this session about and what is the purpose of this? Okay, this is, I'll just go an overview, Nikhil. This is about the Google Cloud Arcade. Which is about the learning process, which is this cohort 2026, which will be spanning for 2 months from today till September 13th. So in that, you will be having a lot of learning sessions. You'll be completing badges, arcade games, and also the special thing about the AI agents for the enterprise level. So you can learn that. And with that, you'll be getting a lot of points. With that points, you can redeem and get a lot of Google goodies, and not just the goodies, you'll also get that main knowledge for after learning. So that is the thing you will be getting, and this is the entire thing going on. And now the people are going with the registration thing, and you can get that, you can register, and this is the referral code. And okay, actually, in the year of graduation, which year I should do? Okay, just give the year of graduation of MCA. Which year are you graduating from? I'm not getting my Google developer profile. So what exactly are you facing, Abnish? Can you let me know? Oh, do we have? I got it. Okay. Yeah, Abnish, cool. Anyone have any more questions? Please do drop. We'll be there till 7:45, then we'll end the stream and we have a chat. There are only two people left. If you have any doubts, you can please to ask. You'll be there. Done with the registration. Okay, cool, Kirtana. Good to know. Got the email. What exactly email are you talking about? And did you get an email with the how to redeem the code, or just you got the copy of the form you have filled up? Can you please show how to get Google Developer Profile URL? Okay, I'll show you. Yeah, if it's not showing join gear, showing welcome to the gear page, I guess you have already joined the gear thing, and you might already have that badge. Okay, let me show you the thing. Okay, so this is for who? Okay, can you please show how to get the Google profile? So this is the thing. You need to go to developers.google.com hyphen program, or you can just search Google developers.google.com. So in that you'll be brought into this thing, and then you need to sign up, and after that you will be going for the gear. So in the gear you'll be, this is if you have already signed up, you'll get welcome to gear, or you need to, if you are new, you will be having join gear. And after everything, I can just press on the three dots, go to the profile. After going for the profile, here you need to go to the set. You need to check firstly you have Gemini Enterprise Agent ready. You need to have this badge. After that, go for settings. You need to press public, and you need to give a set custom web address. So here this is very important. Go for the settings, go down, there is a option of account public, and set this as a web address as a public, and you need to give your name or anything you can give. After that you need to press, after that you need to press us, there will be an option called save here somewhere after making a change, and you will have looking like I have a public profile thing, and then you have to copy this link. You can copy profile link to clipboard, and then you can copy it over there. That is the thing. I hope I have solved how to get that Google developer profile. Thanks, Gagandeep. Yeah, thanks for filling up. Is an enrollment just giving a copy of your form? That is not like a confirmation email. So what is the access code? Okay, you can see in the screen. This is the access code. This is the referral code. Which access code are you looking logged for the game? Don't start the game right now. For the game, wait for 24 hours till you get that uh, till you get that 750 credits. Then you can start again. If, for the game, it is already outside. When you press the join game, there is an access code already. You can just check it out and then start. I am facing problem in reCAPTCHA. Okay, then open in incognito mode. Control Shift 10 in your laptop, and incognito mode will be open. Just copy that link and paste in incognito mode, and you will be happy to go. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Oh, any more questions? If there are more questions, okay. We'll end in 5 minutes, so we'll have 5 more minutes. You guys, can you check how much seats are full? We have around 500 seats for our referral code, so we are sure that there are still more seats left, and yeah, we have enough seats left. I can't officially disclose how many seats are left, so yeah. Yeah, no problem. I think we can end the stream as there is no upcoming questions. Let's just wait for 4 minutes. If there are 46 members, if you have any doubts, please do ask. Once we'll just end the stream right away. Yeah, good session. Cheers. Yeah.
I think
Okay.
we can call it a wrap then.
Yeah, we can call it a wrap as there's no more questions, and we have the WhatsApp group you can ask questions. So to everyone, thank you for joining the session. Thanks from me and Vikas for joining the session, and we hope everyone has enrolled it very properly. And we wish you an like an exciting and exciting learning for the next 2 months. So we'll be there. If you have any doubts or any queries, please feel free to ask. No worries. Okay, and we'll meet you in the next week. And until then, see ya. Bye bye.
Thank you
Thank you.
all. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Happy learning.